Welcome to the studio. We're back here. I just, as the sun is setting in the studio here, I noticed I can't paint when the sun is half shining on my easel. So just because it just makes too much tonal difference. And it just reminded me of something that I can show you, perhaps help you understand a little bit better about darks and lights, tonal values, blacks and whites. So if you have a look here, the top sheet, this is a completely black sheet. It's off of a watercolor paper pad that you tear off, protecting the paper. And you can see how this color of black compares to this white, and you get a lot of contrast. But if you look at this color of black compared to the white that's in the shade here, on the left hand side, this is white, the same white paper as that. And you can just compare the difference there. This is almost, the white in the shade is almost darker than the black in the light. So it's just something to consider when you're painting values and shadows and whatnot. And I painted a gray and another black just to compare here. And this is just what was left over on the sheet. So just a quick video just to show you the differences and something to contemplate when you're painting. And I've got a drawing on the go underneath all this, and I'll get painting in a separate video here. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.